You're dismounting here, on the west end.
Let's start moving.
Oh, we put
west.
OC if 11, okay. I'm sure I call.
Let's start moving to
Okay,
west.
I need a fake engage.
Let's start moving to west.
Okay, you come in. Defense tank take space on the south. Go south, carry take space. Happy to stop them. Yo, come kill the guts. Yo, hug the northwest and the west. Okay, here they bomb. We counter northwest over the wall. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's massive. Northwest is massive. Northeast is massive. Massive northeast. One engage them, one tap them. Now come back. Good job. Come back. Take care of the guts. In the far east hill. Okay, northeast and east hills. Okay, hills on the northeast and east. Okay. Yo, kill the guts. Hurry up. We need to push. Focus the guards now. Focus the guard for 10 seconds. I will not call for anything. Don't worry. Defend tank and heal for my for the east and northeast. Okay. Kill the guards fast.
Thank God.
Defend tank cut them on the northeast. Okay.
You know how
Good
like
with the guts.
the right is teleporting.
Okay. Now come in now. Yo, poke the just Q and W use the battle mount. Okay.
You're engaging?
Where?
Engaging
Okay, you
your
step.
tank.
Okay, no worries. Step out now. Okay, give me heals, deep heal. We're gonna engage northeast again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast at the shallow on the mage. Just on the mage. Around the mage. Nice DPS. Now come hug south and southwest. Hug south is a lot of space south, guys. A lot of space south. Come on. Don't tell me you don't see the space south, okay? Hug south. Cool downs now. Okay? Cool downs now. Don't exit the ferry. Hug south and southwest. Hug the walls, okay? They cannot bomb you, okay? Okay, second engage, I want to wipe them, okay? Get ready.
Spread the
Yo,
fire.
heal my northeast.
It's better.
My northeast. Defense, heal my northeast. Okay, here they come. Let them heals. Me heals. We're gonna counter north. On the mage. Step up now. Mace. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything in office. Everything in office now. Wipe this shit. Now come and south. Defend tank northeast. Yo, heal.
Teleporting.
I'm fighting full TRs right now in the.
Just don't die.
I know.
Okay,
I saw
you guys
Gil
come hug
going
south.
down.
Kill the guys real
going
quick. Guys, a lot of guys. Come hug south and kill the guys. Okay, yo, healers and supports pay attention to my tanks on the northeast, okay? Yo, kill the guys now. Next push we wipe them, okay? Next few push we need to wipe them, okay? Okay, yo. You kill the guys, take out the guys on the south. Come south, guys, stop stepping up. Come south, like I say, come south. Okay, yo, look at this. It seems like a. Okay, bro. Yo, it seems like a long shot on the east. Okay, just moving one defend tank on the east. Okay, now step up now. Northeast now. One northeast now. They all start northeast now. Okay, step full engage northeast. Everything northeast in 5, 4. Defense. 3, 2, 1. Pop potion. Everything northeast. Everything. Give them all you got. Everything. Right them there. Full push them. No mercy. Keep going. Pop potion. Keep going. Deep. Keep throwing DPS. Spread out. Pop potion. Keep throwing DPS. Throw your DPS. Keep throwing DPS. Okay, 10 seconds. We stabilize. Don't back off. We stabilize here. 10 seconds. We wrap them. 10 seconds. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North again. Everything we have. Wipe them here. Just finish them up. It's a massive kill.
It's gonna be funny.
Yo, come east. Yo, come south. There's a shooter on the south, okay? Come south. Walk into them. Pop potion, walk into them. No fear. Walk east. 10 seconds. Defend 10. CC them. Don't let them out. 5 seconds. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage northeast. Everything you have. Another mess.
You can kill the better mount.
Where?
You're running north. Oh my god.
Yo, Matt, can we catch? It's okay. Let him go. We done here.
They die.
Yo, I wiped TRH in Samuel Desert. I can come help now. Okay, no worries. Okay, if you guys want, you can come here for round 2. Okay, same side. There's round 2. Okay, guys. Good job, everybody. Good job. 4 minute festival issue. Yo, get ready. Okay, they might come. Okay.
Kill the guts.
Kill the guys, please. Sorry about that. Kill the guys. Is there a guy down here? Can you kill him? Yo, kill